is what we've gotten.
Yep, that's why.
And we're not pouring into our people.
Oh my
We're
goodness.
not pouring into our young people.
That's
We're
right.
not having continuity.
That's right.
So I'm like, if he wants what I have, I'm gonna give it to him.
That's right. And that's what we're supposed to do. That's
Exactly.
That's what.
Yeah, and that's something I find strange with Caribbean people. It's like the parents will say, the parents act like the children have a say in the matter. The Chinese children have no say.
No say at all.
The Indian kids have no say.
That's right.
They're going to work in this supermarket.
That's how it's supposed to be.
And they're going to do this until whatever age. And by the time they reach to that age, they're taking the business over because that's all they've known.
Right. That's Christopher. I didn't mean to cut you
No,
off.
that's fine.
But that's Christopher Columbus and his son's house right there.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
So I think it's like $3. I went one time. I mean, just to experience it. You see
It's a tour, right?
It's a tour, right? Yep. And that's the Christopher Columbus statue right there. So
Another Colonial.